Hey everyone, CrazyToys here, and today we have another set of super cool surprise eggs. We have 3 different surprise eggs, and this is a special edition from Italy, from the Italian TV show Stralunati. And I wonder what's inside. Those of you guys who watch my videos regularly probably know that we already had some of these surprise eggs, and last time we had really cool toys inside, so I'm really excited this time. Maybe we get some more really cool figures or something like this. So let's have a look. Okay, now I will open the first surprise egg. And see what's inside. Maybe we get another cool Stralunati toy, or maybe we get something else, who knows? Yeah. I think we got a little toy, but yeah, this is not from Stralunati, this is something else. And this looks like Jerry from Tom and Jerry to me. Yeah. This is from Tom and Jerry, the little mouse, with a piece of cheese. I don't know, do you guys know Tom and Jerry? Who of you guys ever watched an episode of Tom and Jerry? I'm really curious about it, because I think this TV show is a little bit older. It was very popular when I was a kid, a couple of years ago already. And therefore I'm not sure whether or not you still know Tom and Jerry. Okay, but at first let's put on the t-shirt. Yeah, our little mouse wants to have a t-shirt. By the way, this is Jerry, not Tom. And he looks really happy. So, okay, yeah, a piece of cheese. Here we have a piece of cheese we have to put together. Okay, but this still does not look like a piece of cheese, and therefore we have these tiny stickers. Okay, the first sticker, and let us put another sticker on it. So it looks like a piece of cheese from both sides, not only from one side. And as you guys probably know, mouses love cheese. So therefore I think that Jerry is really happy. And he also looks a little bit hungry. So what about you guys? Do you like cheese? I don't like cheese. I don't really love to eat cheese. So what about you? Let me know in the comments. Okay, I think that's it. This is our little toy from Tom and Jerry. And I will go on to the next surprise egg, the second one for today. Okay, this is our second surprise egg, and I really hope that we have another Tom and Jerry toy, or maybe a toy from Stralunati, but maybe we get Tom, the cat. Yay, look! I think we got lucky. I really think we got, this is Tom from Tom and Jerry, the mouse. I'm so excited. Yeah, looks like a little artist. A painter. Okay, let's see where to start. Looks like his head. We have to put on his head first, I guess, yeah. Okay, this belongs here. And What's next? Yeah, maybe this one. Yeah, looks like his face, with his eyes, yellow eyes. Okay, but he still needs some feet. And here are the feet. And again, he looks like a painter, so he needs some brushes too. So let's put on his hand holding some brushes. And a little green hat. This is awesome, I love it. Okay, and this looks like a little tripod. With a little picture on it. Yeah, this is pretty cool, I think. So, do you guys love to paint too? Let me know in the comments. I don't really like painting, but I love people who do this. So let me know in the comments whether or not you would like to paint a picture. And in the meantime, I will unbox the third surprise eggs for today. And maybe we get lucky and get another toy. Okay, let's see what's inside. I can't wait to open it. And maybe it's another Tom and Jerry toy? No! It's something else. It's a little snail. I think we had this one in another episode last week or so. We opened a surprise egg and there were some pirate snails, and I think, yeah, this looks like a little snail. And this snail looks like a pirate to me, from a pirate ship. This is so cool. Now I have another one from this series. It's very good for my collection. Awesome. Okay, let's see. Usually it's quite easy to put this together. And yeah, I think we are almost ready. Yeah, that's a little hat. It doesn't fit quite well. Okay, now that's ready. So guys, what do you think? What's your favorite toy in this video? Is it a little snail or is it one of those two Tom and Jerry toys? We don't have any Stralunati figures inside, however, I'm really happy with Tom and Jerry. So let me know in the comments what you think about this video. Do you like this video? Then don't forget to subscribe to CrazyToys so we can unbox even more surprise eggs. Bye bye!